The future is faster than you can imagine. Same happens with the career marketplace. Lot of jobs, career, they were 10 years before, 20 years before, they are no longer there. And same is going to happen after 5 years, 10 years. It's going to change continuously. So how we are going to manage this? In this video, we are going to decode top 5 elements to future-proof your career so that you become relevant, still you can navigate and build a great career. So if you are a student watching this video, make sure you watch until the end to get insights and implement them. And if you are a parent watching this video, make sure that you share with your child so that he or she can craft a great career. This is Maurya SN here, your goal clarity and success mindset coach with 27 plus years of professional journey. Now I'm on a mission to help 1 million young minds to become superachievers who can contribute in global economy significantly. So let's dive in. All right. As you can see, these are the 5 pillars. These are 5 elements we are going to decode how to future-proof your career so that amid all challenges, disruptions, still we are relevant and still we can navigate all challenges and still achieve something great, right? So let's dive one by one. All right. So first pillar is understand the career marketplace. Very important, because ignorance is, we cannot afford it. Make sure you understand what is happening in the marketplace, which technology, industry, business on growth path, right? And which is in decline path. Very important to understand the marketplace, because if you are doing something which is not going to exist after 10 years, there's no point to build your skills. There's no point to make efforts and do that job. So this is first thing. Second thing is identify the growth area. Which is the area, which is the business domain, which is the technology domain is going to be growing for next 5, 10 years to 15 years. Because if you look at the present, it's not going to help. You have to look at least 5, 10 years growth. And most important, what is your interest and strength area where you can contribute, where you can become excellent. And of course, all these things alignments are required, but most important, make sure you keep on demonstrating your value, whatever you are creating, whatever your strength, whatever your value that you have created, projects, assessment, right? So you need to keep on demonstrating them, because if you are keep on demonstrating, you will learn from the feedback. Also, you have a visibility in the marketplace so that you'll get a lot of opportunity. So this is second element, right? Second is self-discovery. It's very important, because why? If you end up doing something which is not aligned to you, it's not fit for you, you're not able to survive very rough, tough career marketplace, right? But if you are doing something which is aligned to you, your interest, your strength, and you love doing it, and you can create massive value. So no matter whatever challenges, whatever disruption in the marketplace, you will have unique positioning. You will have a unique position to be there, right? So very important, when you are planning your career, make sure you have a self-discovery. When I say self-discovery, discover your strength, your interest, and most important, align your strength with your opportunity. Opportunities available. What is the third part is, what is the potential risk? You have to do assessment, because every opportunity, career, there may be some potential risk, right? In terms of growth, in terms of disruptions, in terms of threat in the marketplace. So this assessment is very required so that you are ready. And more important, based on all this assessment and your strength, opportunities, you are going to create a career education skill roadmap. What are the education that required for a particular profession, particular the area that you have chosen, and what are the skills required, what are the key elements required so that you are ready for it, right? So what is the third pillar? Very important, because if not going to keep on building your skills, you'll become obsolete, you'll become irrelevant in the marketplace, right? So it's a game of continuous learning, required skills, right? So keep on building your skills, the key skills which are ever relevant and evergreen. They'll be always in demand. Is a problem solving, critical thinking. I think already I have shared in the previous video. If you have not watched this, you can just go in my previous video. I have a lot of details about the problem solving critical skills. Of course, how you are going to build creativity skills, This is very important. Skill is going to play big role in the future. And adaptability quotient, how are you adaptable to the changes with the business process, people, and most important, emotional intelligence, because most of the business job roles, career, they are related to people, and organization look for who can manage their emotion, who can thrive, who can navigate their emotions. So make sure you develop these skills. And other element very important, people do not discuss and care, is personal growth, because ultimately you are the biggest asset, biggest tool who are going to face all this, and you are going to use in this journey, right? So when I say personal development, have a great habit, sleep habit, food habit, routines, mind, body, soul, you have to take care of it, so that now you are ready for all these challenges and you can still play a great career. What is the fourth pillar, right? Because when there are challenges, when there are disruptions, when there are changes, your mindset matters a lot. Growth mindset. When I say growth mindset, it means that it can be learned, it can be changed, something you are flexible. Because on the way, if you are pursuing a great career, future, you may require to learn new skills, new knowledge, change your approach. A lot of flexibility is required in your mindset. And it doesn't happen. You have to start developing right away. So growth mindset is going to be a big things that play in your career growth. How it can be grown is very important. Self-reflection. Reflect yourself. Are you changing? Are you learning continuously? Self-reflection is the key things, and most important, right from today, change what is not working and do something differently, so that no make it work. So keep on changing, keep on learning. That's the way to build a great growth mindset. All right, what is the fifth pillar of the future proof career? Build a right environment. It's very, very important, because if your environment around you is not right, soon you face challenges, you will quit, not sustain. This is first part. Secondly, your environment shapes your mindset. It depends on the kind of people you are hanging around. They will influence, they will change your behavior, your mindset. How to build a right environment, the critical success environment? There are few things that you have to take care of. The first thing, simplify your life. Less is more. Do not get into so many things. Have less thing, but best thing. And declutter your space. Do not just get consumed by social media. A lot of things happening which is not relevant for you. And declutter your mental space. So do not clutter your mindset with a lot of information, a lot of unwanted knowledge, news, and with the people who are affecting. Keep your mind decluttered and clean, so that you have a clarity in your thoughts. But the last element is about edit your life. You have heard it first time. Edit your life. When I say edit, means change what is not working. Delete the people who are not relevant for you, and delete the situations which are not relevant for you. Add the people who are required in your goals. Keep on connecting and networking the people who are useful and who are going to support you in your goal. All right, hope you get a lot of value out of it. And if you want similar resources, you can subscribe the channel to get the videos on success mindset, career planning, goal setting. Also, you can browse mauryasn.co.in to get more resources. You can download the resources like self-discovery kit, success mindset guide, and learn and start building right away. Also, I invite you to attend my FutureProof Career MasterClass, in which I decode top 3 pillars to make you super achievers.